Hi everyone, we're going to look at calendar time with metric notation. And that's sometimes how we just write dates. You know, when they have just numbers, how do you know what the date is? We're going to look at that now. Okay, let's look at this calendar. It says at the top, April 2015. I'm going to circle a date. Let's circle the 20th of April. We can write this in metric notation. We start with the greatest unit of time, and that's the year. So the year is 2015. We continue on to the least unit of time. So now we look at the month. The month is April. We consider what number of month that is. January being the first, February 2nd, 3rd, March. So April is the 4th. I use 2 digits for the month. So if it's the 4th, I would write 04 to note the month. This tells everyone I'm talking about April. Then I write the day. And we can see there I have circled the 20th day. Just by looking at the metric notation, the digits at the bottom, I can read this as April 20th, 2015, and so can everyone else. I'm going to use the same calendar again, but this time I'm going to circle the 3rd day. So how would I write this? I start with the greatest unit of time, the year, 2015. The month, which we said was the 4th month, 04. Now I need to use 2 digits for the day, even though it's not a 2-digit number. So I'm going to put that 0 down again and say 03. So this reads as 2015, 0403. That tells everyone that it's April 3rd, 2015. Let's take another look here. Here's a month that everybody loves, December. So December 2015. If I were to choose a date here, maybe the 25th of December, I would write this date out as 2015 12, because December is the 12th month. 25, the 25th day. Some people also like to use just the 2 digits for the year. So it's possible that you might see it written as 15, 12, 25, which would tell me it's 2015, the 12th month, the 25th day, December 25th. How about I give you some notations and you see if you can figure out the dates. 2008, 11/04. What's the date? If you've guessed that it's November 4th, 2008, you're right. Good job. How about this date in the future? What's the date? If you're guessing that it's March 9th, 2025, you're right. I just want to draw your attention here that I have a space in between both sets of the numbers. That's really important. That shows the difference between those sets. Let's take a guess at one last date before we finish up here in metric notation. So we have 2001 or 01. What's my date? If you've guessed January 1st, 2000, you've got it. Now, some people do put the date, the month, first, but when using metric notation, we always start with the greatest unit of time. So it's possible you might see it in other versions, but this is one of the versions that we rely on the most. Thanks, guys.